Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the breakout zones indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, you can check the description below for the links to download the MT4 version and the MT5 version as well. After downloading the indicator, you head on to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there, after which you need to head back to your navigator and refresh so that the indicator can be displayed in the navigator. Okay, after you've done that, all you just have to do next is to drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Okay, I dragged the wrong indicator. Okay, the breakout zones, just drag and drop to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then for your settings, the customizable settings are the local time zone, the desk time zone, and the pips for entry. So feel free to modify the values according to your own strategy, okay, according to your taste. Now, as you can see, the indicator, it's a breakout kind of indicator, right? As the name implies, breakout zones. So the indicator shows you consolidation zones, right? And helps you to be able to catch breakouts. It automatically highlights key price zones where breakouts are most likely to occur, helping you anticipate momentum shifts. Just like here, you can see this was a breakout zone, right? Consolidation pattern, and we had a breakout to the upside here. This would have been a good place to buy, and then stop loss can be below the swing low. And then you can see here again we had a breakout. You can see here we had a breakout, although it seemed like just a very brief breakout before the consolidation continued. Okay, so this is an indicator that is valuable for breakout traders, but ensure that you always get confirmations, okay, and ensure that you employ proper risk management. It is very, very important that you employ proper risk management. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and check your account balance before determining the lot size that you're going to use. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, unless if you're not getting value from this channel. But I believe that there's a lot of value to get from this channel, so kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more valuable content across indicators, strategies, expert advisors, and others. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.